Accept our gift of gratitude and love. Thank you. In school.
Of Children Municipal Board for being with us here today's great occasion.
Sri Jagdish Chairlady, Deputy Commissioner, West Garavins, Secretary, Education Department, Sri Ambrose K. Barak, Secretary, Education, Government of Meghalaya, for your presence at today's event and for the initiative.
Program, and this is the kind of first program in the history of Meghalaya. The CM Thane program is being launched in.
Looking at the results, especially in Laurels, where you see 25%, 30%, it's really painful. He said one thing to me which really hurt me is that he said, what about the remaining 70%? What will happen to my society?
In the state of Laurels. Once again, it is my privilege to welcome our 23